In this really quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can add the emojis to your keyboard on your iPhone. So yeah, as I said, it's really quick and easy. So let's get started right away. So what we want to do is we want to basically have our settings app opened up. We want to scroll a bit down till you see the general tab. You want to click on the general tab and then click on keyboard right here under the date and time and the fonts and stuff like that. So just click on keyboard, then at the top click on keyboards, and as you can see for me the emoji keyword is already there, and you basically want to click on add keyword, and then yeah, these are all the keywords, and if you scroll a bit down it should pop up at the E list because yeah, it starts with an E of course, but for me, as I can see, it does not show up because I've already sort of like selected it, I guess. So it should be right here at the yeah, at the E because it's alphabetical order. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.